ClubExpress, Storefront, configuring shipping options. The Storefront module allows clubs to configure shipping options based on a flat rate or options based on location and product weight. Clubs can also add options for in-person pickup and allow customers to choose their shipping method. This video is part of a Storefront series. Be sure to watch the remaining tutorials to learn how to set up the module and product defaults, manage products and inventory, and fulfill orders. By now, you've set up your Storefront module and product defaults. If you haven't, be sure to watch our tutorial, Storefront, configuring the module and product defaults. In this tutorial, we'll review both options for shipping methods you can use in your Storefront, the pros and cons, and how each is configured. You can only choose one shipping method for your Storefront, so review the options in this tutorial carefully. Navigate to the Control Panel, Money tab, and click Storefront. First, let's review our options for shipping products and why we might choose each one. Click the Configure button on either the Product or Order Manager screen. Then, click Storefront Options. The first option is a flat rate shipping method. If you choose flat rate, you'll create shipping options which are either a flat fee or based on the total of the order. This is the simplest option to configure, but won't account for long shipping distances or product weights. The second option is advanced shipping. If you choose advanced, you'll add shipping options based on weight, shipping method, and region. This option gives you more control over your shipping costs, but takes longer to configure. First, let's review flat rate shipping. We'll click Flat Rate and save our changes. Back on the Product Manager screen, click Configure Shipping. The shipping screen for flat rate options shows a grid with all shipping options, including the name, whether it's available for customers to select, the amounts the shipping method applies to if there are amount limits, and the shipping fee. Click Add Shipping Method. Name the method. This name will appear for customers, so make sure it's helpful. Check the active box to make this shipping method available for customers to select. If your club operates seasonally and you want to offer in-person pickup, you can return to this screen later to deactivate the option when your clubhouse is closed. If you're adding shipping methods based on an amount range, you'll need to add each range as a separate shipping method. And if you're offering shipping options for multiple carriers, you may need to add amount limits for each carrier. Last, add the shipping fee. Remember, back in our Storefront options, we were able to add a handling fee, so you don't need to include that in the shipping cost if you've already configured it. Click Save to save your changes. From the member's perspective, they'll only see the shipping methods that apply to their order total and can choose from a drop-down menu. Next, let's look at advanced shipping. We'll return to the Storefront options screen and select Advanced as our setting and save our changes. Now, when we select the option to configure our shipping methods, we see a new screen. The Shipping Price Admin screen for advanced shipping includes buttons to manage weight ranges, shipping methods, and shipping regions available. If options have already been configured in your Storefront, you'll also see a drop-down menu allowing you to choose a region to display. Choosing a region shows a grid with corresponding shipping methods and weights, and the option to manage prices for each option listed. First, let's add our shipping weight ranges. Click the Manage Weight Ranges button. Choose your unit of measurement, then add your first upper limit. The system will automatically enter a new line with your upper limit as the lower limit for the next level. You can continue to add as many weight ranges as you need. When you're finished, click Save. Next, we'll add our shipping methods. Click Manage Shipping Methods. This screen shows all shipping methods and whether they're available to customers. Click Add Shipping Method to add a new option. Name the method, then choose a tax rate to apply to the method. Finally, check the active box to make the shipping method available to customers. Like our earlier example, if you offer in-person pickup and your club operates seasonally, you might return to this screen to deactivate the option when your clubhouse is closed. Last, we'll configure shipping regions. Shipping regions are the primary control for shipping costs. When a member or non-member places an order, The system first checks their shipping address, then the weight of the product, then the shipping method they chose. Click Manage Regions to add regions. Click the Add Region button to see a map and select your shipping options. At the bottom of the map pop-up, you can change your view by selecting the map from the drop-down menu. The USA map allows you to select individual states. The World map allows you to choose entire countries. The Other option displays a selectable list of smaller countries hard to display on the World map. We'll choose the USA. If you don't have any regions configured, your entire map will be gray. We have regions configured already, so some of our map is red. You can only include states and countries in one region. If you want to choose a state or country already in a region, you'll need to remove it from the original region instead. To choose the states, we'll hover over the state we want, then click it. Name your region and save your changes. When we return to the map, we can see our selections in green and add or remove the states by clicking them. Now that we have our shipping regions, weight ranges, and methods, it's time to add prices. Choose the shipping region from the drop-down menu, then click the Manage Pricing button. In the live grid, enter the prices for each shipping method and the weight range. If you don't offer the shipping method in that region, like in-person pickup or a courier service, leave the fields blank and the shipping method won't display for customers in that region. If you add $0 instead, the customer would be able to select the shipping method for free. When you're finished, click Save. Repeat this process for each region to configure your shipping options. From the customer's perspective, they'll only see shipping methods that apply to their region and their order. Logged-in members will have the option to ship to the address in their member profile or a new address, and the shipping options will update based on their selection. Non-members will be prompted to enter their address, and they'll see shipping options based on their location. So now you've learned how to set up your storefront shipping methods. Next, you'll learn how to add products and manage your inventory. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.